In Glenview, you'll find endless summer fun with a variety of amenities to enjoy. Explore places like Flick Park and Pool, along with Roosevelt Aquatic Center for a memorable summer experience. And this particular home is walking distance to Chicago's famous Lou Malnati's Pizza, the awesome Juice Bar, and the Laughing Academy. Plus, it's conveniently located less than a couple miles away from the Glen Town Center. Situated in a prime Glenview location, nestles in the heart of this highly sought-after community. Here we are in my newest listing, 3059 Knollwood Lane in Glenview. Meticulously maintained and updated. The stylish and practical kitchen recently got a makeover. With fresh white cabinets, enhancing both its aesthetic appeal and functionality. The desirable and open floor plan seamlessly connects the kitchen into the big family room. If you're enjoying this video and want to see more fabulous home tours, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. The primary suite is a bright and spacious escape. Boasting a large walk-in closet, the remodeled ensuite bathroom offers a walk-in shower and double bowl vanities. Additionally, upstairs, you will find 4 bedrooms, each bathed in natural sunlight and offering generous closet space. The lower level is a perfect entertaining space, complete with a big rec room, a wet bar, full bathroom, and plenty of space for all your workout equipment. The backyard offers a secluded garden retreat with a spacious patio. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a fully fenced yard. Thanks for watching.